Shalom, family! God bless you all. Thank y'all for tuning in for today's property tour. And today, my friends, we are at bum 5751 Glen Falls here in Dallas, Texas. Going to be checking out this absolutely stunning, beautiful, gorgeous modern European estate by New Leaf Custom Homes, my friends. I am super excited to feature this property because you guys, if you're our OG subscribers, y'all already know, guys. We've toured a couple of New Leaf Custom Homes here in the Dallas area, guys, and they are truly by far one of my favorite custom builders in this area. They do such a fantastic job. I think you guys are definitely in for a treat. And I'm just so excited. I feel like a kid in a candy store because this house literally has everything that the wifey and I would ever want in our dream home. But anyways, guys, be sure to hit that thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, my friends. Join the YouTube familia. We would love to have you guys part of the YouTube family. And if you are looking to build or buy your new construction home here in the Dallas area, my friends, you guys can always visit our website at NavaRealtyGroup.co and schedule a free consultation call, my friends. Or you guys can also check us out on Instagram at NavaRealtyGroup. We're posting property tours on a daily basis, guys, and y'all can send us a DM there as well. Alrighty, guys, but without further ado, let's get right into today's property tour. And I want to give a huge thank you to New Leaf and their team for inviting us once again to check out their newest specs that's hitting the market sometime next week, guys. So be ready, guys, because this one is definitely going to fly off the shelves. Alrighty, all the details, all the specs of this property, I'm gonna leave in the description, guys. That way y'all can check it out. Pricing hasn't been announced just yet, but it should be later this week, guys. So just a heads up. Outside of that, be sure to stay tuned towards the end of the video for the good news. By far, the greatest part of the videos is towards the end for the good news, my friends. You don't wanna miss that. Man, oh gosh, right away, guys. This is truly a spectacular formal dining room. You have gorgeous windows overlooking that front patio. Alrighty, absolutely stunning. Loving all the woodwork here, guys. Love how they darkened the ceiling here. Look at that, beautiful, absolutely stunning. Now, my friends, I don't have too much time in this property, guys, because they have a couple of guys coming in to do some final touch-ups. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to I'm not gonna be able to take my time as much. I already see some of the contractors pulling up, so I'm like, oh. But anyways, look at this arches. I mean, look at that beautiful double door. Gorgeous woodwork all throughout, my friends. Absolutely stunning. Look at that. And then here you do have the first bedroom here tucked away. I mean, look at that fantastic color tones. Got the warmer color tones, got that champagne bronze, plumbing fixtures, beautiful. Stand-up shower, seamless glass, beautiful tile all throughout. Look at that. Absolutely phenomenal. And then here we do have another bedroom, 2 large windows overlooking that front yard. Lots of gorgeous mature trees, guys. We're right off of Inwood, my friends, so super prime time area, guys. You have Love Field not too far away. You have shopping, dining, entertainment just minutes away. And you're not too far away from the Dallas Tollway as well if you're trying to get anywhere in the Dallas area. Look at this. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Open concept. Got that nice, gorgeous wooden custom beams up on the ceilings there. Very elegant, very timeless design. Loving the sliders leading up to that beautiful back patio and that gorgeous pool back there. And look at this fireplace. Wood burning fireplace. I mean, loving the color tone here. Look at that. Beautiful, my friends. Alrighty. And then here we do have a absolutely neck turner of a kitchen. Got the rounded edges on the island. Got that nice woodwork there on the side. And then you do have Sub-Zero top of the line appliances. This is actually going to be your double fridge here, which I think is so cool because it blends in with the cabinetry here. Alrighty. And look at this. Beautiful cabinetry all throughout, my friends. Absolutely stunning property. Already got Wolf top of the line appliances, got that nice beautiful hood vent. I mean, this property is truly just has everything, guys. And then here we do have kind of a little bar area situated right alongside the formal dining room, which I think is really convenient. And then we do have a temperature controlled wine room in here. Look at that. I mean, the fine details to this house, guys, I mean, they did not miss a beat. Everything just feels so, I mean, with intention and purpose. New Leaf, once again, they definitely are just one of my favorite builders here in Dallas. Alrighty, here we have a butler's pantry tucked away, and then we got that nice walk-in pantry. Yes, oh man, we got the walk-in pantry. Oh, I love it. Sometimes these houses can be gorgeous, but if they don't got a walk-in pantry, I don't want to see it. No, I'm joking, guys. But the walk-in pantries are awesome. And then here we do have a breakfast nook tucked away. Lots of windows overlooking that beautiful backyard there. Look at that. It looks like a resort style. My wife and I, we actually vacation in Palm Beach, Florida, guys, at the Breakers Hotel. And I don't know why, but this kind of reminds me of, just being at the Breakers. It just gives this resort, but also very homey, just vibe to it, guys. I am just fascinated with this property, guys. Look at this. Absolutely stunning. Loving all the windows. Brings so much gorgeous natural lighting. And then here we do have a pool bath tucked away back here. Alrighty, look at that. Beautiful gold plumbing fixtures, absolutely stunning. And this actually leads you to the backyard here, which we'll get to that here in a little bit, but I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek. And we do have turf all throughout the back. Alrighty, absolutely stunning. Look at this. Backyard patio. I mean, this is just amazing. Perfect for the carne asadas, perfect for the barbecues, for the family gatherings. I mean, this is just breathtaking. Like I said, it feels like a resort, my friends. And then we do have that outdoor kitchen out here. Alrighty, got the sliders leading up to the main living room once again. Alrighty. Lots of very gorgeous mature trees, guys. And this is a very well-developed area, my friends. So they're doing a lot of really nice custom builds here in the Dallas area, guys. There's a lot of teardowns happening. A lot of just really beautiful custom estates that are coming into the Dallas area. Here we do have a study already with the double doors. All right. Got 3 large windows overlooking that backyard there. Gorgeous light fixtures. And I love the color tones that they added here. I mean, very moody, very beautiful. Alrighty. And then tucked away over here, we are gonna have your mudroom. Oh my gosh, look at this. They added little cabinets here for the kiddos. This is perfect. So that way they can have all maybe their school supplies, and then here they'll hang their backpacks, because this actually leads you to that 3-car side entry garage. Alrighty, look at that. Epoxy flooring all throughout, my friends. And I actually do like the side entry garages, guys, because I feel like it just, it doesn't take away from the focal point of the exterior, the elevation, because the elevation is just so beautiful. And I would not, personally, having the 2 cars or 3 cars in front of the elevation, I don't know. I think it wouldn't hit as much as it does now. So I think the fact that they did a J-swing side entry garage is awesome. Alrighty, these are just some additional storage rooms here tucked away. And then I don't know if you guys also peeped that they did that nice white oak flooring all throughout, guys, which is a very common trend with a lot of these beautiful custom homes, guys, already. And this is gonna be kind of like a little, well, this is actually your full primary suite, but this is gonna be like a workout room, meditation room, or yoga. Super convenient, especially if you work from home. And then here we do have lots of windows, once again, bring a lot of beautiful natural lighting, and then access to the backyard here. And this right here, this is the cream of the crop, my friends. This is just amazing. This is the primary suite. I love it. It truly is impeccable. You got the nice little seating area back there. The wifey and I would love this, guys, because this is where we would take our time to maybe, just read our word. This is a perfect just situation here. Maybe just hang out, talk. Because that's one thing my wife and I, we always end up doing. We talk for hours, guys. We'll just talk about life, talk about goals. And this would be perfect. This would definitely be a nice little seating area where we can just sit and talk. Alrighty. It looks like the construction, everyone's coming in, guys, so I'm gonna have to wrap up here in a little bit. But this is the primary bathroom. Beautiful soaking tub, stand-up shower, seamless glass. Beautiful double shower head with the rain shower head as well. I mean, absolutely phenomenal. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I love the countertops. Love that two-tone. Beautiful, guys. Tile backsplash all throughout the walls there. And then here we will have your water closet tucked away. Alrighty, and this is gonna be your full, nice, beautiful walk-in closet. Look at that. Absolutely phenomenal, guys. Then you got a full-size mirror. Women, ladies, do y'all like this closet? Let me know if this is enough closet space. Alrighty, gentlemen, we're gonna have to use this spot right there, okay? That's gonna be our spot. Alrighty, and then here we do have, just once again, another view of this spectacular primary bathroom. It's just truly impeccable. Alrighty. Now, we're gonna have to probably head upstairs, guys, and probably wrap up here really soon because, like I said, all the workers and contractors are coming in to do the final touch-ups in. Alrighty. Sweetie, you down there? Oh, come. You want to come say hi? I am. Oh, hey guys. So the wifey's here. Hello, beautiful.
Hi. I was saying that like this house is so big that you were filming and I'm filming and we haven't ran into.
I'm like, where is she? I was trying to find you, but the wifey is actually, guys, check her out on TikTok. She has her little TikToks that she's doing her videos, which is so cool.
We're almost at 10K.
We're almost at 10K by God's grace. So look at her. You look so gorgeous. That baby bump, man. Alrighty. Well, anyways, guys, sorry. You know, usually there's with a lot of these really very, very premium custom builds, guys, it's very hard to get access to a lot of these properties. And so thankfully, by God's grace, I've been able to build a lot of really great relationships with a lot of really premium custom builders in the area. And sometimes I just want to make sure I'm respectful because they do have to continue their work. They got to do what they got to do. And you know, sometimes I just won't be able to come in there because, or I won't have the time that I would want because, you know, they have to do their final touch-ups. And I want to make sure I respect that because they're giving us the opportunity to be out here and just, you know, once again, touring these beautiful properties that not a lot of people get to see. So just once again, my friends, I apologize. Sometimes if I ever have to maybe rush the videos or have to speed it up a little bit, it's just once again, you know, everybody's always in and out because they're getting this beautiful home ready for the market. Look at this other bathroom here, absolutely stunning. Got a nice little walk-in closet there. Alrighty, beautiful, guys. And then here we do have that nice open railing. Love it. And this is actually gonna lead you back downstairs. And I just can't get over that front entry. Look at that beautiful archways, all that nice woodwork all throughout. Looks spectacular. Okay. And I believe that is it for the upstairs, my friends. And oh, actually, we forgot this right wing of the house. Oh my gosh. So this is actually just over 6,000 square feet, my friends. So lots of room. It's a 5-bedroom and I believe 5 and 2 half bathrooms. All right. So definitely lots of room to grow into. Got another bedroom here tucked away as well. 3 large windows overlooking that beautiful backyard. Alrighty. And, you know, once again, guys, I mean, in this area, you're not gonna find too much, you know, these are very established neighborhoods. I mean, you're right alongside Inwood, Devonshire is not too far away. And then you're near Preston Hollow, Highland Park, you know, right off of Lovers as well, University Park. I mean, this is a very premium area, guys. So there's not too much new construction happening unless there's tear downs. And so what a tear down is basically that the builder will buy out the older property in the neighborhood, in a more established premium neighborhood. And then they'll obviously bulldoze it, tear it down, submit permits for a new you know, project, and then they'll build a beautiful custom build on it. Now, the beauty of that is that, you know, the more that the builders do this in the neighborhoods, obviously values continue to go up and up and up. And that's the trajectory we've been seeing in this area, guys, is a lot of builders are buying out these older properties and they're building these beautiful, gorgeous custom estates, guys. Because people really, I mean, obviously they want to be close to all the, you know, the convenience of being in Dallas. So, just a heads up. Alrighty, and now let's head on to the backyard, guys, and we're gonna wrap it up. Oh, the wifey's back there, look at her. She's probably doing her little story. Oh man, she's probably gonna get upset that it's all good. I want her to be in the video. Sweetie?
I'm still here.
Oh, you're saying, hey, we're gonna end off the video. I was telling him that I apologize because like you know, by God's grace, we get really like good access to these houses, and sometimes we have to like rush because, you know, we want to, we want to get in and get out. We want to respect their timing because they have to prep up the house for the market and things like that. So
yeah, the owner just came by.
Oh, Scott?
Yeah, or Rye something.
Oh, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyways, guys, we just want to say thank you guys so much for just tuning in, just supporting us, being there with us, guys. We are truly grateful for every one of y'all.
I can't believe it's been like, how many years already?
It's been 4 years, guys.
That's crazy.
4 years.
You guys have seen us grow.
Yeah, you've seen us grow, and hopefully, you know, you guys will see the little baby girl, Shalom, grow up. And we just want to thank you all for just supporting us. And you guys mean a lot to us. All the beautiful families that we've been able to service, we're so grateful and so blessed that God has given us this opportunity to show these beautiful homes, but most importantly, glorify his name.
Amen.
Above all names, because he is the King of Kings, and
he gifted these people to create such a beautiful product, guys. Like this is a gift.
this
It
is
really
truly a gift. It's impeccable, and their team did such a fantastic job. So truly honored. Thank you guys once again. We have to head out, my friends, but I love all of you guys. As always, we're going to share with them the good news before we take off. John 3:16, for God so loved the world, he sent his only begotten son, and all those that believe in him will not perish but have everlasting life. My friends, these homes are gorgeous, they're breathtaking, they are beautiful, but they do not compare to the eternal home that the Lord has reserved for you, for me, and for all of us through what he did on that cross at Calvary, where he paid the ultimate price for sinners like us, guys. And I always tell you all my testimony, this beautiful...
It was all God.
It was all God, but this beautiful, gorgeous woman that came into my life after I got out of the Marine Corps, you know, I don't know where I would be had she not stood by my side praying for me and just not giving up. So
well, I didn't give up because it was God. Like it literally is supernatural, guys. Honestly.
Yeah. And I would say, guys, don't give up. Don't give up. You're never too late. You're never too far gone. You keep pushing forward in every situation. If God be for us, who can be against us? And I know sometimes even us, we go through times where we're, you know, it feels hopeless and we're just like, man, what is going on? But that's where we cling on to, you know what?
Yeah.
We look back at all the amazing things God has done in our lives and how he's pushed us through, and we think back and we remember. That's the thing, guys. We forget to remember what God has already done in your lives, right? We're so focused on the next thing, but we forget.
We need to reflect on what he did and not focus so much on where we want to be, because God will take us there. He will lead us to the path that he wants us to be.
Amen.
We're going through the season of his timing.
His timing.
At the end of the day.
We have to rely on his timing, guys. All right. God bless you. Shalom. Peace be with you guys. Hope you all enjoyed. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.
Beautiful.